Welcome back to the channel, folks. This is daily update for Bed Bath & Beyond, and today I got you a very interesting video. You need to watch the whole thing because it's going to blow your mind. And I'll tell you guys, I can confirm you, dilution has started for the stock. There was 4 million shares added to the stock, outstanding shares. Okay, and let's take a look, and that's a fact. But the rest of it is going to be my theory as to what exactly happened. How did they add this much to the stock? Okay, let's take a look. 174 million is the market cap right now. The market price for the stock is $1.43. If you take these two numbers, okay, you divide them, you get 121 million shares outstanding as of today. As of November, the total number of outstanding shares were 117 million. If you take these two numbers and take a difference, you just have 4.7 million shares added to the stock. Now, this 4.7, where did it come from? Let's take a look. As we all know by now that BBBY provided these warrants to a company, and I made a video yesterday talking about that Hudson Bay is the counterparty for the stock, and this is what the article I was going off of is. It was published in Bloomberg. It says Hudson Bay is anchor investor in Bed Bath & Beyond share sale, and I think there's a reason that I also believe that, and I'll show you guys why I think that. Okay, what they offered 23,685 shares for convertible preferred stock, 84,000 preferred stock warrants, and 95 million common stock. Okay, let's go to my Excel sheet. Here we go. So the first warrant is 23,000. The second one is 84,000. Common stock is 95 million. Okay, the total is 95,495,000. These are the total number of shares they offered in return of cash. How much are they going to get? They're going to get $1 billion. Okay, they already got 225 million. What is the balance? 775. Even though the SEC filing it says 800 million is still left, I think they're rounding about 25,000. That's fine. So 225 million they got. Now, how much would have they paid for per stock? In my opinion, they would have paid around close to 10 cents per share. Okay. And how did I get to this number? I took 95,495,000 divided by $1 billion. The price of per share is going to cost them about 10 cents. Okay, it's almost about 10 cents. All right. If you take 225 cash they already received divided by the price of the share, this gives you outstanding shares of 2.3 million shares. The counterparty who purchased this deal, I don't think they held on to the shares. They sold it in the market for profit, and 2.3 million shares were added to the total outstanding shares. Now, the difference is still 4.7. Now, this answers in our failure to delivery. As we know, right, there's a lot of failure to delivery. What happens in failure to delivery is if you have a lot of failure to deliveries, even though those stocks did not exist on the paper, you have those stocks added to the stock price. Okay, so that is also dilution. So that combined with 2.3 million that counterparty already got rid of, it's already done. Okay, so nobody's holding on to these shares. These warrants was already exercised until 225 million. The rest is 775 million. As we discussed yesterday's video, that the speculation is they want the price to stay above $1.25 before the 775 million can be executed. So this is what we have to see. But this is for you guys, in my opinion, in my theory. This is not facts. This is just theory, that this is what happened to dilute the price. And this is why we are seeing a steady decline. Let me go to 30-minute chart to show you guys. This is why we're seeing a steady decline on the stock, and this is because it was diluted heavily. All right. Now, let's see how this does. Apparently, this is again going down, but again, the stock has to maintain $1.25 before they could go and get more money, and we'll see how that plays out. But for now, I think this is my theory on the stock. And again, it comes down to the demand level I have from January. So let's see if it bounces off then goes up. But if it goes down, then we're going down to $1.27. Hope you guys like this video. If you did, do give it a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.